Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is cleaning out of ports and things. This one isn't actually too bad. It's got a bit of a gummy exhaust port, but not too bad. The intake's looking very, very clean. So what I usually use for cleaning these little wire wheel things. Used to work on larger engines. Something like this would normally be a perfect size for other engines, but I might have to think about it again for this one. Normally I use these on my Dremel. I've got one of these Dremels with a sort of umbilical hose thing. Unfortunately, the collar inside there for sort of holding different sized tools, I've only got the large one. I can't find where I put the smaller and medium ones, so I haven't actually got a tool to hold this, so I'll have to use my handheld drill and try and be a bit more delicate with it. This engine has, I'm not sure if you can see, a cast iron sleeve, and it's got steel valve seats there as well, so you can go at it fairly aggressively, and also that's good for lapping the valves as well, so you're not going to sort of go eating through aluminium like some other engines do. So yeah, I'll have a go at that and see what we get. Nope, so there's no getting a tool of this size in through those ports, and definitely not through the exit either, so I'm going to try again with a different tool. Okay, so I'm now going to resort to this. I'm not entirely sure what it is or where I got it from. I think it's sort of it's either some sort of pipe cleaner or sort of a gun barrel cleaner or something. It's got a threaded end in the hole there, so I guess it's sort of screwing to a longer rod for cleaning rifle barrels or something, but who knows. So this now being the only smallest thing I have to fit inside these things, so that feels like a fairly snug fit there, so I'll chuck this in the drill and give that a go. Okay, so I've tried various tools now for cleaning out ports on this engine, and also in between the cooling fins because they're very dirty. Tried the wire wheel thing, that couldn't fit inside the ports, so then there was the gun barrel cleaner thing, that worked quite well, but I was in a shop that sold kitchen utensil things and I got this for 69p. I think that's going to do a very nice job of cleaning that, so it's just a little handheld scrubber thing, so I'll give that a go, and hopefully it should fit quite nicely in the cooling fins as well. Also I might use it for the 8-horse Briggs engine as well, sort of get it clean in there. So yeah, see how that does. Okay, so I finally finished cleaning the ports on this engine. I got a fairly good sort of result with this, but some of the thicker stuff just wasn't coming off with it. I just hadn't got enough force in the brush, so I used a coarse sort of old screw and just, you know, gently went at the walls a bit, and that freed up a lot of the black stuff that then I could go in with this and get a really good finish on it. So as you can see from the photo, I tried using the brush in between the cooling fins, but the stuff just really isn't coming off, so I'm thinking I'll have to get all the ignition stuff off and sort of do a sort of sugar soap or some other kind of rough cleaning process to clear out the stuff between the cooling fins, because I really want to get a sort of a proper as new restoration on this, so we'll see how it goes.